Before evaluating the nice definite integral, let's pick up a nice property of e to the power x. We know e to the power x times f x, the derivative according to product rule equals the derivative e to the power x times f x plus e to the power x times the derivative of f x. But we know the first factor actually equals e to the power x. So we can write as e to the power x times f(x) plus the derivative of f(x). We know the key step for evaluating a definite or indefinite integral is to figure out the antiderivative. If we can change the second part as the sum of a function f(x) and it is derivative, then the antiderivative would be e to the power x times f(x), right? Let's go. Because 1 plus sine x over 1 plus cosine x equals, we can write the top as 1 plus sine 2 times half x. The bottom use half angle formula. Get 2 times cosine half x squared. Using double angle formula, we get 1 plus 2 sine half x times cosine half x. The bottom still 2 times cosine half x squared. We break it to two fractions. The first one, 1 over 2 cosine half x squared. The second, cancel 2 and cancel 1 cosine half x. So we get sine half x over cosine half x. We know second is the reciprocal of cosine. So we get half second half x squared plus sine over cosine, which is 10 x over 2. Oh, the first term is actually the derivative of the second term. So we get 10 half x prime plus 10 half x. So the given definite integral from 0 to half pi e to the power x times 1 plus sine x over 1 plus cosine x dx can be written as 0 to half pi e to the power x times 10 half x plus the derivative 10 half x prime dx. According to a nice property, we can write as integral 0 to half pi the derivative of e to the power x times 10 half x dx. We know the antiderivative just equal to e to the power x and then times 10 half x, right? According to the fundamental theorem calculus, the value equals the antiderivative. Evaluate at the top limit half pi and then minus the value at the low limit 0. So let's plug in. When x equals half pi, so e to the power half pi and then 10 half x, so with pi over 4. When x equals 0, e to the power 0, 10, 0 over 2. We know this one is 0 and 10 a quarter of pi is 1. So the final answer would be e to the power pi over 2. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.